Hello, my name is Dovila and I'm learning Spanish about 1 year, maybe a little bit more. And with Angelina, I'm learning Spanish about 3 months, and we had about more than 20 lessons in these 3 months. And I could share my experience, learning experience, that it's really very huge difference how I learned, I tried to learn before Angelina, and how we're learning now. And every lesson is very dynamic, different, with grammar, with different text. We create text, we do exercises, of course we do grammar, and after every lesson you can remember more and more in Spanish words, Spanish phrases. Of course, you have to do homework. For me, most important thing is speaking. And before Angelina, I couldn't say, or I could say just only few words. When I began to learn with Angelina, I had to speak in Spanish from first lesson, and it was really very good practice, very good studying method. And now I can compare my speaking, understanding Spanish learning experience, that at the moment I can say a lot phrases in Spanish and a lot sentences in Spanish. Okay, maybe not very correct, but I can speak in Spanish and I know already a lot of words in Spanish. So I really highly recommend to learn with Angelina, by Angelina Learning Methods, because they are working, really working.